Hi everyone, welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm gonna do a review for this hair fryer, the Cuisinart. It looks super cute. It's bigger than it looks. It's super deep, and I'm really enjoying it because it looks like pretty cute stainless steel small appliance. And I put already the nuggets inside and some cakes that I was supposed to fry instead, and I'm baking them in the hair fryer. Let's see how it turns. Here I'm trying to show you how deep it is. This little toaster oven Cuisinart appliance, but we also can do air fryer here. That was one of the main things that make me buy this appliance. And actually I'm getting happy with the nuggets, but not much with the other cakes. I think the nuggets are doing pretty well, and but the other cakes not really. At the end I'm gonna show you how they end up, but they taste better fried for sure. But the nuggets, this is great. A great option for the kids. It makes it more healthier, right? We don't need to fry it. So I think this is like halfway, and I put it again on the oven, and I'm just waiting. Oh, here it is. And for the nuggets it's perfect, but for the cakes not much. The cakes I will fry them for sure next time. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like this video and you subscribe my channel. I hope to see you next time in my next video. Thank you very much. A food lover in Canada.